Hello and good morning to all my dear students. I am Piyush Sardana, your English teacher, and in this video we are going to continue with the lesson Nasruddin's aim. Already the lesson has been explained and discussed, and today we are going to continue with the question answers of this particular lesson. So let's begin. And the first question here is, what did Nasruddin boast about? So Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Okay, and in if you want to add on, you can add on. He used to say that all his arrows hit the target. He used to say that all his arrows hit the target. So I hope it is clear, and let's move to the next question. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Very interesting question. So Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed a target. Rest is from question itself. बाकी सारा question में से है, सिर्फ take की जगह took हो जाएगा. Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed a target because he did not want to feel ashamed, ashamed, ashamed in front of his friends. Okay, so that's it. If you want to end this up over here, you can end it up over here. He did not want to feel ashamed in front of his friends. And you can continue after this. And he did not want to accept his defeat in front of them. And he did not want to accept accept his defeat defeat in front of his friends. Okay, now the next question is, why did Nasruddin say it was my aim the third time? Nasruddin said it was my aim the third time because this time the arrow had hit exactly at the target. Because this time that arrow had hit exactly at the target. Next one is, do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? No, Nasruddin was not at all good at archery. Rather, he was fooling or befooling, befooling, befooling his friends by boasting, boasting, boasting. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. And now the next part is read and enjoy. So this is supposed to be done on your own, and if you face any problem, you can ask it from me. Okay, next is word building. So shoot the arrow and hit the target by matching the words with their correct meaning. Chatting is informal talk. Amazement, I hope you all know these words. Amazement means greatly surprised. Archery, shooting with a bow and arrow. Then defending means protecting one from attack. And target is it is not, yeah, target is the goal intended to be hit. And triumphantly means happy and proud. Okay, now replace the bold words with the word from the quiver means this is a quiver. Okay, and rewrite the sentence. So in no time she hit the object she aimed at. So aimed at. So in no time she hit the target. ओके, शी हिट द टारगेट, ऑब्जेक्ट से लेके एम डैट तक ये सारा हटा के आपका क्या बन जाएगा, इन नो टाइम शी हिट द target. Nasruddin was surely not a good teacher. Surely will be replaced and it will be certainly. Okay, and the next one is the teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. So the teacher remarked something about will be replaced with remarked on. Okay, now let's move to the next part. That's right. This is a picture of Rahul Gupta. Use the clues given. Write a paragraph about him in your notebook. Okay, where are the clues? Yeah, here it is. So, what is the name? Rahul Gupta. So, you can write on your own. It is very easy. Like, Rahul Gupta is an Indian. He plays cricket and he practices cricket for 8 hours daily, and he eats healthy food. He runs 2 kilometers every day. He's a very good batsman. Okay, so in the same way you can also compose. Next one is, this is Rajiv's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. So father does pumping. Okay, we call it pumping, iron pumping. Mother does yoga. Sita does skipping. Grandpa walks. Grandma drinks energy, not energy drink, we can call it as milk. Or Rajiv is doing exercise or jogging, you can call it. Okay, so you have to write this over here in present continuous tense. Okay, next is watch the arrow pierce the apple. Would you like to see the arrow piercing the red apple? Bring the page close to your face. Touch the star with your nose. So here, okay. So if you do this, you will actually find the arrow hitting the apple. Okay. So it's a very wonderful thing. I just did it right now, and you can also do it, and it's wonderful. Okay. So let's play. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. Okay, cricket. What you play with? Of course, bat and ball. Where you play it? On the ground, right? Next is a number of players, 11. Hockey. What you play with? A ball and a stick, hockey stick. Okay. Next, where you play it? In the on the ground or stadium. And number of players required? Again 11. Table tennis, 2 players are required. Okay, and what you play with? A ball again and a racket. Okay, table tennis racket. Next is where you play it? We played in the stadium, of course. And 2 or 4, the options is given, 2 or 2 to 4. So 2 to 4. Next one is football. Football is played in football ground. Okay, next what you play with? Football. And where you play it? It is played on the ground. Number of players required? Again 11. Okay, so I hope it is all clear. Next is using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. Like first one is given, cricket is an outdoor game we play, so I hope you can do it on your own, and it's quite easy. Okay, the next one is, the following words are used in various sports. List them under the sport they are used in. So hockey, I think hockey is penalty. Penalty is used in hockey, and it is also used in football. Okay, googly is in cricket. Goal is in hockey and football both. LBW is in cricket. Penalty I have discussed both. Free kick. Free kick is in football. penalty corner is in hockey. Okay, penalty is in both, whereas penalty corner is only in hockey. So you can add on more points like 3, okay, wherever it is required. So next is a puppet head. You can use an old tennis ball which has lost its bounce to make the head of a puppet. She looks like a little girl in a skirt and is very quick and easy to make. Okay, so look at the picture carefully and you will see how she works. Your fingers are her arms. You need a tennis ball, needle, wool, colored cloth. So just follow these pictures and make a doll and then just send it to me. Okay, you can either send a video or a picture. Okay, and then you have to write 2 sentences on your puppet. So with this, my puppet is made up of a ball, or you can use cloth, and it can move its hands. Basically these are your fingers, but we are talking about puppet here, so it can move its hand, and it can dance, and it can play also. So whatever you want to write down, you may write it down. Okay, so with this we are done with our lesson, and I hope it is clear. If you still have any problem, you can ask it from me whenever I take the live class. Thank you.